attention, I'ma need you to face front. You don't want smoke with me, this is a lace blunt. Raps Jackie Chan, we ain't pulling them fake stunts. My crown won't fit on your bum ass lace front.
I'm using the e.l.f. contour brush. And I'm contouring with this palette, the Guize Face Contour Palette. And I'm going down the bridge of my nose, like so. I don't use powder, but I'm using powder to contour. That's the only powder that I'm using. And I'm going along my hairline with this powder. And I'm going to show you what it looks like as it's blended out, and I'll be back. So you guys, I have contoured my face with this palette. This is what it looked like. This is the Guize Face Contour. It has a red contour and then a neutral contour. Then it has a highlight and another shade where you can highlight and contour with. And that's what I used on my face today. That's what my highlight looking like. And I don't use powder on my face because I have dry skin type. So I just use the Guize contour to contour my face. And that's what it's looking like. And I'll be back, you guys, with the finest product. This is what my eyes is looking like. And I will be back with the finished product of my face. Palette from the company Guize Face FX. So you guys, this has my contour pop. Look at that contour. Look at that contour. Like, this has my face lit. So I just want to show you guys this this contour palette. This is what it looks like. And as you can see, I use the neutral deep dark shade, but it also has a red deep dark shade for people women of color that has red undertones, as well as a highlight. And then it's a powder that you can set your highlight with, and the other shades you can highlight with. And I think this is so nice. Like, look at this palette. It has a mirror as well as it has the contour shades. Like, this palette is amazing, you guys. Like, look how it looks on my contour. Like, I absolutely love this highlight, this contour palette. And because I don't use powder on my face anymore because my skin is so dry, this palette is perfect because I can go in with this palette, which is a powder contour, and contour my face, and I absolutely love it. Look at that. It got me lit, you guys. So I'm going to leave a coupon code in the bottom bar where you can save money off this palette. If you would like to get your hands on this palette, go over to Guize Face FX and like their page and follow them, as well as go over and look at the various shades that they have, because I have my palette in Twilight, but they do have shades that's lighter than me, as well as they have light, like medium and deep. So you all go over to Guize Face FX and get you a contour palette. I absolutely love it. And I will talk to you guys in my next video. My girlfriend hustling, got units